Making fat loss simple by understanding CICO, also known as calories in, calories out. You may or may not know that 1 pound of fat equals 3,500 calories. For example, if you are wanting to lose 20 pounds of fat, you take that 20 pounds you are looking to lose and multiply it by the 3,500, the calories in 1 pound of fat. This will give you the 70,000 excess fat calories that you need to pay off. To better understand, think of this like making monthly payments to purchase your dream home or dream body. However, we are looking to make daily payments to pay off this new dream body that totals these 70,000 excess calories to lose the targeted 20 pounds of fat. Say, theoretically, your metabolism requires 2,000 calories to keep you functional throughout the day. I want you to think of that 2,000 calorie burn as your daily mortgage payment for this dream body you're seeking. It's now 10 p.m. You're going to bed, and your metabolism, let's call him the mortgage collector, comes knocking on your door, asking for the 2,000 calories to cover the daily mortgage it used up to keep you alive, feeding your brain, your heart, your muscles, every living tissue. But you only consumed in food and beverage that day 1,400 calories, leaving your metabolism short 600 calories on its daily mortgage payment of 2,000 calories. Since you're going to bed, you tell your metabolism the 1,400 calories is all you have for the day. This leaves your mortgage stuck. So now it has to go looking for the 600 calories elsewhere. Theoretically, your metabolism starts crawling around your body, looking for anywhere for the 600 calories you are short, and preferably finds the 600 needed to cover the daily expenses and excess fat stores. Now, if you were to repeat this scenario day in and day out, obviously every day won't be the same. But to keep things simple and understanding the big picture of CICO, you would take that 70,000 calories and divide it by the 600 daily deficit you're looking to create each day, and it will take you approximately 117 days to lose that 20 pounds of fat. Or if you divide that by 7, about 17 weeks. Again, this is the big picture of fat loss. Calories in, calories out, or as we call it, CICO. Yes, it is more complicated in that not all calories are created equal when you add in macros, your protein, carbs, fats, timing, absorption rates, types of food, etc. But the first step in starting a process of shedding unwanted fat is being aware and accountable to what you put in your mouth. This begins by making sure you're aware of how much you eat compared to how much you burn on a daily basis. If you have any questions or you want more information on how this process of CICO metabolism management can be personalized for you, give us a call at 724-879-8523. Visit our website at www.myfitnesskitchen.com or check us out on Facebook. Have a great day.